Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic ab trainer, core trainer, exercise trainer, balance trainer, steeper, whatever you want to call it. This one that this brand sent to me for this video is just one do it all. I do have my home gym and I do enjoy my home gym, and actually I tested this one for the past 2 days in my home gym. But I'm filming here because I do want to show you that you can have this one anywhere you want. You can have it in your kitchen, you can use it in your living room, you can use it in your office, and have your own personal multi-purpose gym anywhere you want. That's why we are here today. This thing is so cool. By the way, it comes with a few things. So this is the one that you're going to use to inflate the top part. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. So this is the one that you're going to use to inflate it. Also, this right here is going to be a few accessories. And also you kind of like have to take some measurements to kind of like make sure that the amount of air inside of the top part is enough, but not too much, you know? So you're gonna use this one and follow the instruction manual to make sure that you are understanding how to use this one. By the way, you can also download their app. They also have an app which you're gonna use for tracking exercises, having exercises on display, showing you what to do, how to do it, your own personal trainer, but also tracking. So I think it is fantastic to also have an app. But if you don't want to use the app, you have this over here, which comes with, oh my god, this is so big, comes with the actual box, with the actual equipment. That this one is going to show you all the exercises that you can do with this one. And I think that this is just so fantastic. You can do so many things. So let's take a closer look now. Let me show you why this is so important. Here, you're going to have the two steeper zones, kind of like the grip. And in here, in the middle one, you're going to have the middle section grip. You can actually exercise on top of this one. Or if you want, you can do this. Let me show you. And this is going to be your handles. So right here, you're going to find your handles, your side handles, and the top and bottom handles. So you can kind of like use it both ways. This is going to be your power grip area, and this is going to be your bouncing or steeper zone. So for example, I can do this right here. I can grab this one to be kind of like the middle zone, and I can do some balance when I'm doing like squats. So that's actually really good because it's going to make you to have both balance and exercise at the same time. But also if I want, I kind of like do this, for example, and then just go back and then do this and then go back. If I want, I can just like sweep legs and just like that. So that's going to be kind of like your core synergistics, if you allow me to say that. But if I also want, I can just use this one to be kind of like my bouncing. So, you know, if I want to do, for example, some push-ups, I can use this one and just make sure that, of course, I'm going to have both the grip, but also the balance. And let's say that I have two dumbbells here or something like that. So I can just do some chest exercises. I can do more chest exercises just like this. And just making sure that I have a really nice and balanced position, but at the same time, I'm kind of like having a really nice cushion or something like this. For example, if I want to do some abs, I can also use this platform just like this. But then if I also do this, for example, and just grab it from the power grip or the power grab, see the power grip, I'm going to say, I can, for example, do this. I can do some chest exercises or back exercises. I can kind of like do this. This is so good. I have to say, everything that you can do with this one, which you get right here on this kind of like core map, exercise map or something like that, and just making sure that you can take it with you on the go or switching between rooms and have your own personal trainer. This thing is fantastic.